Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Harshavin. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a price adjustment in Temu app. So guys, I got a lot of DMs regarding this, like how to make a price adjustment. So I am into a Temu app now. I'm in the home page. Once you are in the home page, you can click to your orders, then you can see your orders there. So I'm gonna check with my recent order. So this is my recent order which I placed it yesterday. So when I go to the track, then you can see what are the items which I purchased. At last you can see the button called as a price adjustment. So you just need to click on the price adjustment there, and what actually price adjustment says is, so let us take with an example. When I placed this jumping chicken, the price was rand of 28. So now I gonna give a price adjustment. Before it was 28 rand, now it is 26 rand, so they are refunding me 2 rand. Just you need to click on the request a price adjustment. Within a few minutes or within a few seconds, I can see the amount will be reflected in your account. So you can do this 2 or 3 times, because whenever the price dip, they're gonna give you a refund. So it's very convenient guys. And also if you feel like, oh, now the price is dipped, obviously you can make a price adjustment and somehow you can feel happy. Apart from this, there are a lot of discounted items in Temu. You can see I got a mail that I got a refund of rand 2. It is very instant. So I feel it's a great work which is done by the Temu, because no other apps gives like this, like a price adjustment. Friends, hope you understand this video. If you have any queries, please DM me. Thank you so much.